Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Imtiaz Jahan, I'm from Chittagong and welcome to another episode. Normally আমি ফজর নামাজের পর ঘুমায় যাই বা কোরআন তেলাওয়াত করি, বাট আজকে আমি খেলতে যাচ্ছি আর এখন বাজে সকালে 6টা। সো ইয়া, লেটস গো। বাট একটা মজার বিষয় বলি, আমি আসলে খেলতে যাচ্ছি না, খেলা দেখতে যাচ্ছি। পাশাপাশি মাঠে যাচ্ছি আর 120 FPS করি নেই, তাহলে মাঠে যাচ্ছি বা কেন ওইটা বলো। আর আমার 120 FPS করতে অনেক মন চাইতেছে। লেটস গো ফর ইট। So scene হচ্ছে, in my previous video I showed you guys that I went to my cousin's place, but মজা বিষয় হচ্ছে ওই ভিডিও একটা পার্ট যেটা আমি ওই ভিডিওতে অ্যাড করি নাই বিকজ এটা অনেক লেন্দি হয়ে যাচ্ছিল। So I thought I would rather add in this video. So here it is, cinematic scenes plus Bhujpur vibes. Check it out.
Walking the streets at night, holding my hand so tight. Love never felt so right, but now I'm haunted. I'm sleeping alone at night, think of you all the time. Can't help but realize you're all I wanted, and I can't erase all of the ways I can't replace you. I miss the taste of all of the nights I can't forget you. I can't erase all of the ways I can't replace you, and I can't replace you. So if you call me saying that you want me to tell the truth, I'd still run back to you. And if you ever tell me you want me to, I'd still run back to you. I've been emotional ever since we let go. Lost all my self-control, if I'm being honest. Said that we'd give it time, thought by now I'd be fine. Still broken up inside, just like a promise. And I can't erase all of the ways I can't replace you. I miss the taste of all of the nights I can't forget you. I can't erase all of the ways I can't replace you, and I can't replace you. So if you call me saying that you want me to tell the truth, I'd still run back to you. And if you ever tell me you want me to, I'd still run back to you. So if you call me saying that you want me to tell the truth, I'd still run back to you. And if you ever tell me you want me to, I'd still run back to you. And I can't erase all of the ways I can't replace you. I miss the taste of all of the nights I can't forget you. I can't erase all of the ways I can't replace you, and I can't replace you. All of the ways I can't replace you. I miss the taste of all of the nights I can't forget you. I can't erase all of with you.